If you're trying to improve your credit score but keep getting rejected for credit cards, loans, or financing, you're not alone. For many people, building credit feels like a catch 2020. Lenders want to see credit history before approving you, but it's difficult to build that history when nobody will give you a chance. That's where Kikoff comes in. Kikoff is a credit building platform designed to help users establish positive credit history without the traditional barriers. The company claims that users with credit scores below 600 see an average increase of up to 86 points over time, making it one of the most talked about credit building apps available today. So, in this video, we'll take a complete look at Kickoff, including its core features, available resources, pricing plans, mobile app, customer reviews, and whether it's actually worth paying. So, let's get started. So, first, the question is, what is Kickoff? Kickoff is a financial technology platform focused on helping people establish and improve their credit profiles. So, instead of offering traditional loans or high limit credit cards, Kickoff provides credit building tools that report payment activity to the major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, TransUnion. The goal is simple: help users build positive payment history, maintain low credit utilization, and strengthen their overall credit profile over time. One thing that makes Kickoff appealing is that getting started is straightforward, and many users can qualify without the strict approval requirements often associated with traditional credit products. Let's start with the most important section of the platform, that is credit building. Kickoff offers several tools designed specifically to help improve your credit profile. First, we have is a credit account. Credit account is the foundation of Kickoff's platform. This feature helps build three major factors that influence your credit score: payment history, credit utilization, credit age. The system works by creating a reported trade line that appears on your credit report. As payments are made and reported, users can gradually establish a stronger credit history. This can be especially helpful for first time credit users, young adults, students, immigrants building US credit, people rebuilding after past credit mistakes. Since payment history makes up a large portion of most credit scoring models, consistently reported on time payments can have a meaningful impact over time. Then we have is debt negotiator. It is a very interesting feature. It is basically an AI powered tool designed to help negotiate debt settlement offers on your behalf. If you have outstanding debt or collection accounts, negotiating directly with creditors can be intimidating. The debt negotiator aims to simplify that process by helping users explore potential settlement opportunities and communicate more effectively with creditors. For people dealing with old collection accounts or unpaid balances, this feature may help reduce financial stress while working toward a healthier credit profile. Then we have is rent reporting. One of the most valuable feature is this one. Think about it. Many people pay rent every month for years, often making their largest monthly payment consistently and on time. Unfortunately, those payments usually don't help build credits. Kickoff changes that by allowing eligible users to report rent payments to participating credit bureaus. This means your regular rent payments may contribute to your credit history, helping you get recognition for bills you're already paying. For long term renters, this feature can add meaningful positive payment history without taking on new debt. Beyond credit building, Kickoff also provides useful financial planning tools. These resources can help users make more informed decisions before taking on major financial commitments. Thinking about buying a home, the mortgage calculator allows you to estimate your potential monthly housing costs. Simply enter details such as home price, down payment, interest rate, loan term. The calculator then provides an estimate of what your monthly payment may look like. This can be useful when planning a home purchase and understanding affordability before speaking with a lender. And if you're considering purchasing a vehicle, Kickoff also includes an auto loan calculator. This tool helps estimate monthly payments, total financing costs, loan affordability. By adjusting loan terms and interest rates, users can compare different financing scenarios and make smarter borrowing decisions. These calculators won't directly improve your credit score, but they can help prevent financial mistakes that might negatively affect it later. Another major advantage of Kickoff is its mobile app. The platform is available on both iOS and Android. The app allows users to manage their accounts directly from their smartphones. Inside the app, users can monitor credit building progress, view account activity, access credit insights, track reported trade lines, Manage subscriptions, explore additional features. The interface is modern and beginner friendly, making it easy for users who may not have much experience with credit management tools. Whether you're using an iPhone or Android device, the mobile experience is designed to provide quick access to your account and progress. Now, let's talk about cost. Kickoff currently offers three subscription tiers. The basic plan is the most affordable option. It includes $750 reported kickoff trade line reporting to Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, weekly credit reports, rent reporting to Equifax and TransUnion, credit tracking tools and insights, bank level security and support. For only $5 per month, this plan provides the core credit building functionality most users need. If you're just starting your credit journey, this is often the easiest entry point. Then we have this premium plan. The premium plan expands on everything, including in basics. You get all basic features $2,500 reported kickoff trade line, bill reporting, spending tracking and management tools, debt negotiation features. For many users, the tier provides the best balance between features and affordability. The larger trade line and additional reporting tools may help strengthen your credit profile more effectively than the entry level plan. The ultimate plan is Kickoff's most feature rich option. It includes everything from basic and premium, $3,500 reported Kickoff trade line, $1 million identity theft insurance, personal data protection services. This plan focuses not only in credit building but also on identity and privacy protection. If you're concerned about personal data exposure or identity theft, these additional protections may provide extra value. Kickoff has received a large number of positive reviews from users who are trying to establish or rebuild credit. Common praise includes easy sign-up process, affordable monthly cost, helpful credit building tools, rent reporting benefits, simple mobile app experience. Many users report seeing gradual improvements in their credit profiles after maintaining consistent payments and using the platform responsibly. Of course, results vary from person to person, and no credit building service can guarantee a specific score increase. However, overall user feedback tends to be positive, especially among individuals with limited credit history. And Kickoff may be a good fit for you if you are building credit for the first time, recovering from past credit challenges, looking for rent reporting services, or trying to establish additional trade lines, as well as seeking affordable credit building tools. It may be less useful for someone who already has excellent credit and access to premium credit cards with strong rewards programs. So the question is Kickoff worth it? So, for some people who are new to credit, rebuilding after past mistakes, or looking for affordable ways to strengthen their credit profile, Kickoff offers a compelling set of tools. The credit account helps establish payment history and utilization. The debt negotiator provides assistance for managing outstanding debt. Rent reporting allows users to get credit for payments they're already making. The mortgage calculator and auto loan calculator add useful financial planning resources. And with apps available on both iOS and Android, managing everything on the go is simple. If you're looking for the most affordable option, the basic plan provides a solid starting point at just $5 per month. For most users, however, the premium plan delivers the strongest overall value thanks to the larger trade line, bill reporting, and debt negotiating tools. And that's everything you need to know about Kickoff. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.